Mm.
I was bent in the rain by myself alone. Empty hands, heavy chest, I was wanting more. My shoes had mud from the road I took. My name felt small in the way I looked. Then the air got still like a silent room, and my whole life flashed in a single step. I heard, "Boy, look up," in a voice so clean, like a river through stone in the middle of me. I said, "Who are you?" And the dark broke loose with a piece on my mind, like a spoken truth. My fear ran off when your light came near, and the ache in my ribs got quiet clear. I stood there trembling, but I didn't fall, 'cause your mercy had me, and it answered all. And you knew my name before I could speak. You erased my shame clean with the rain. I met God in the rain. I met God in the rain. And my heart is full of your love. I feel you on the sky above. Then you showed me the scars I had tried to hide, the old lost years and the rage inside. You didn't flinch, didn't step away, just held my soul and then ended my pain. You said, "Child, I've been here through every bruise, every sign of abuse, every lie you use." So tears run down my face, feel like I ended this hardcore phase. Now I walk with a fire and with a colder place, with a steady pulse in a different place. When the night gets loud and the doubts attack, I remember that rain and I won't go back. 'Cause you found me low and you called me high. Put a new song under my tired eyes. And you knew my name before I could speak. You erased my